Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials. We have the Dow Industrials up 72. Nasdaq's up 10. S&Ps are up 2.5. Gold contract up $7.30, trading at $1,208 an ounce. Silver up 9 cents at $17.09 an ounce. Platinum up $18 at $9.78 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.62 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1, $52.42 a barrel. Notes: the 10-year note down 2 ticks, 124.04. 30-year bond off 16 ticks, 150.18. Both notes and bonds, folks, have rejected lower price, have lighter volume. They came into their strength. Bottom line, notes and bonds want higher price. Lower yields are coming at us. King dollar down 329 ticks, traded at 100.815. King dollar couldn't hold price. King dollar has a potential monster ABC down. The price projection is 98.170. Euro's trading at 106. The yen is at 114.50. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You got a SPY that gets to a price point today of $227.31. That was coming into the 227.75 that was generated out here on the 6th, as well as the last high that we had, which was on the 13th, which is 227.40. So we'll see where this baby closes out. Bottom line, it looks like, number one, it's going to be a failure. If you do close under the 227.40, that'll be a monster failure. Dow Industrials. What do we have with the Dow Industrials? Dow Industrials right now are trading at a price point of 19,812. And bottom line, they've been, basically kind of going down steadily since the 19,999.63, which was generated on the 6th of January. Today we'll see whether they close over the 19,824. Right now we're at 19,813. NASDAQ Composite. What do we have with the Composite? Composite out here made, no, the Composite didn't make a high. The NDX 100 did. So the Composite traded to a price point today of 55.74. We're at 55.53 right now. A close under 55.71 is going to be a failure on price and volume. NDX 100. Bottom line, NDX made another high, higher high. Can't hold price. Right now you got the actual indice at 5062. We've hit 5085. If we go to the 3 Qs and you take a look at the 3 Qs, what you have with the 3 Qs, 3 Qs are at 16 million contracts, 16 million shares right now. We're at 123.26, a close under the 123.65. Bottom line would be a failure. We put this on a weekly basis. On a weekly basis, you need to close under 123.37. And right now, we're at 123.26. We've done thus far 56. Because we're closed on Monday, you got to add a day in there. Yeah, this will be a failure on price and volume on the weekly also. Would have closed under the 123.37. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contracts catching a bid. Gold's in an ABC structure on the way up, a confirmed ABC to 1239. What we have out here today, you've had a low of 1198. You're trading at 1209.10. You're pushing on the swing points, and you're pushing on these swing points with volume. You're at a price point right now. The last high, number one, has volume, which is 1218.90. You're pushing. That had a volume of 381,000 contracts. Right now, we are trading 226. That's a nice setup. That's a really nice setup. You're pushing into those higher swing points, and you're pushing with volume. That's saying it continues to want higher price. We go up and we take a look at the Silver market, silver's set up the exact same way. So they're going in harmony. They want higher price. Silver right now is trading at a price point, excuse me, folks, of 1710. Your last high out here was 1736. That high had 59,000 contracts. We're pushing that with 62,000. Nice. That's a nice way to push into this whole area. Silver looks like it wants to run up to this $19.10 mark. Now, the notes and bonds, the markets themselves are giving some good information out here today. The notes and bonds, however, are giving the best information. Why? Because what you've had is this. The notes came off the bottom. They came off. They had wide price spread. They had conviction behind the move as they came off after getting destroyed. They pull back. As they pull back, they also pull back with light volume. The notes rejected the 124.03 area. We got down to 123.25, so you get way underneath it. You've done 1.3 million contracts versus 1.8. This is a nice setup. This is saying that the notes now are going to go after 125.13, and we'll see how that shakes out. 30-year bond, same type of setup in the 30-year bond. What you have with 30-year bond? 30-year bond out here got down to a price point of 149.30. We have done 250,000 contracts out here today. The same type of setup, meaning that you went back into the strength. The strength that we're talking about was from the 5th of January. The low of that is 150.14. We had done 338,000 contracts there. We've done 250,000 today, rejecting lower price, has lighter volume, all of the above. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, is in a potential ABC structure on the way down. King dollar got to a price point today of 101.485. Bottom line, you are at let's see, where are we? We're at 100.820. You can expect you're going to go after the swing low, which is a B point of 100.235. You break that swing point. If you break that swing point with more than 61,000 contracts, you get a confirmed ABC structure down with a price projection of 98.570. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. Dow's up 77, Nasdaq's up 13, S&Ps are up 3. We're going to be right back.